So today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a little bit of a light review, just my first impressions actually. As most of you guys probably are having a hard time looking for good grow lights. You know, if you should do fluorescents, LEDs, or whatever else is out there. There's so many to choose from. I've been looking for about a month for some better lights as I want to expand my lighting section so I can grow more veggies for veggie starts to sell, and obviously put more in my garden. So I was researching and I've been finding that these Mars Hydro are a really good light. So I just got mine today. It's a small one, it's a 2x2, and it's an LED one. On first impressions, it's pretty great. It's light, super lightweight. Looking at the bottom here, it's pretty well made. I'm trying to figure out the actual model number of this one, but once I do, I'll post in a link, and I got it from Amazon, so if you guys want to check it out, do so. I'm going to be hanging it as well today and plugging it in to show you guys how bright it is. What I like about it, what it came with was some hanging hardware, which is pretty cool. So that you can actually, with these ones, you can actually raise your light up and down, quick strap up and down, so that you're not having fiddling with wires and stuff like that. So it's just a quick release up, down, which will be pretty awesome. Especially if you're using like the whole ceiling to floor kind of area, if you're using grow tents as well. I'm not, but one day if I need more space, this will come in handy. I need to figure out how to attach it still. They've got, it looks like they've got some pieces here on the side that these look like you would probably just clip on fairly quickly here. So let's do that. So we're gonna hook them up here. 1, 2. There we go, and we'll do the other side quickly here as well. There we go. So that's going to hang nicely like that. And then as well, came with a fairly good user manual. It comes with instructions if you have the higher level ones. It's got some other attachments you put on for dimming and whatnot, but I've just got the basic one. And so looking at this, it's pretty straightforward. And if you guys are into stickers, it came with some pretty creepy looking stickers. Pretty much, I'm guessing most grow light companies are going towards people that are growing marijuana, and it looks like they've been smoking quite a bit. Anyways, we will go hang this up quickly, and we'll get it plugged in and show you the brightness on it, and how much coverage that it actually will give us. Okay, so I've got it installed here with the quick releases here. Super handy. I'm probably gonna take them off for now and just use the hooks with the carabiners up top. Just due to the fact that it's super low here, it's gonna be way too bright. So I can take these off quickly and show you how they work. Super fast, super easy. So there's a lever on the bottom here. You just press it here, and then it lowers it nicely to the height you want. And then to raise it up, you just pull it again, and then you get adjusted to the height where you want it that way. So that's pretty nifty. I'll turn the light on quickly here to show you what it looks like. Just need to pull some of these wires out of the way here, because all my grow light or all my heat pad wires here. So let's move this over here. Here we go, we're gonna pop the light on here, and it is so bright. So the coverage is gonna be like quite a bit. So I can pull this up, and the coverage is huge. So I'll be able to get lots of plants in there, no problem. So far I'm super impressed with that. I'm gonna show you the difference between that light and my old AgroGrow 4-tube fluorescent light, T5. That's it here. So you can tell way weaker. The light's not coming to the edges here or there. So I will be definitely investing in another 1 or 2 of those for sure, $114. So there we go, first inspection, pretty impressed with how bright it is for such a small size. I think on the back here is the model number. So it's the model number TS600. The input voltage is AC 110, 130 volt. The power is 100 watts plus 5%, whatever that means. PPE 2.2 UML. And I don't really know what any of that stuff means because I'm not an electrician. So it means nothing to me. But it is bright. So what else does it say here? that's about it. So there you go, guys. Mars Hydro Light. There's all the LEDs there. I will maybe do a better in-depth review once I get it going and growing all my lights. Or grow my lights. I mean, once I start growing more plants. So once we get the plants going, we'll show you what it looks like with the plants underneath it. And I'm expecting better results than I am with my fluorescent tubes there, because those ones are, I think they're getting old now, and I don't recall them being as dark as they are. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's hard to find good grow lights out there. There's so many out there. I don't recommend buying the cheap Chinese ones. I've heard a lot of things where they say they have a certain output of power and you're getting barely what it says on the package. So do your research, and I'll let you know, like I said, how this is working out in a few weeks, months, maybe in a month, and you guys can go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, please share my videos around, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and have a great day out there. Hope your start to your growing season is going to be soon, and it's a good one.